Today we're making a hot honey cottage cheese sweet potato beef bowl, a perfect balance of protein, healthy carbs, and incredible flavor. We start with fresh ingredients: sweet potatoes, ground beef, creamy cottage cheese, ripe avocado, and golden hot honey. First, we prep our sweet potatoes by washing, peeling, and dicing them into uniform cubes. Toss with olive oil, salt, pepper, and paprika, then roast until golden and caramelized. While they're roasting, we cook our ground beef in a hot pan, breaking it apart and seasoning with garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper until perfectly browned and fragrant. Now for assembly. Start with a base of those beautiful roasted sweet potatoes. Add the seasoned ground beef, then a generous dollop of cottage cheese for creamy protein. Add fanned avocado slices for healthy fats and vibrant color. Finally, drizzle hot honey over everything. This sweet heat ties all the flavors together perfectly. The result? A wholesome, satisfying bowl that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Simple, balanced, and absolutely delicious.